Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this rocket launch outfit on Dress to Impress. So you do need VIP for this. First, get the hot dog costume, and then you are going to color it white. I'm also going to add the metallic texture to it for this one too. And this one you're going to color it gray, and then you're going to also add in the metallic texture on it, like so. And then I am going to go here, and I'm going to add this dress, well, this like skirt, and I'm going to color it red. You know what? I'm just going to leave it like this. Then I'm going to add the metallic material once again. Then select this one, and then you're going to color it this. And then for the second color, you're going to want to color it gray. And then you are going to get this like thing, and then do the third toggle, and you're going to color it gray as well. I'm also going to add in that metallic material, even though you can't really see it. Then you are going to go to VIP, and you're going to get this dress, color it this, and the second one white with another metallic material, and then the rest, except for the last one, you're going to color it gray, like that. And then for the top part of it, you are going to grab a pumpkin. Let me just grab the hats first because it's right here. Select this one, and then ribbon off. I'm going to color it red and then metallic, and we're also going to need the fedora one. Again, I'm going to color it red, and I'm going to add like a metallic shine to it. I'm also going to use gloves here, and then I'm going to color it white with like metallic. Let's get the pumpkin, and then let's do again the metallic one, and we're going to color it red. And then toggle it to on head. And then we're going to get the apple, and we're going to again color it the same red and toggle it to rotten to decor. And there you have your rocket on Dress to Impress. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Do the possession pose from the Halloween post pack. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.